Hello guys, I Anushka Vinashpur welcoming you in Anushka's Crash Course. Before starting this video, please like, share and subscribe. Hello guys, welcome to Anushka's Crash Course and today's topic is monuments in medieval period. So let's move. So first monument is Charminar and it is a huge picture of Charminar. Information. Charminar is a famous medieval period monument and mosque. It is situated in Telangana, India and was constructed on 1591. The landmark has become known globally as a symbol of Hyderabad and it is listed among the most recognized structures in India. It has also been officially incorporated as the emblem of Telangana for the state of Telangana. Charminar's long history includes the existence of mosque on its top floor more than 400 years. While both historically and religiously significant, it is also known for its popular and busy local market surrounding the structure and has become frequent tourist attraction place. Mysore Palace. This is a picture of Mysore Palace, so let's see information. The Mysore Palace, officially known as Mysore Palace, is a historical place and the royal residence house at Mysore, in the Indian state of Karnataka. It is the official residence of the Wadiyara dynasty and the seat of the Kingdom of Mysore. The palace is in the center of Mysore and faces the Chamundi Hills eastward. Mysore is commonly described as a city of palaces and there are 7 palaces included this one. However, Mysore Palace refers specifically to the one within the old fort. The architectural style of domes and palace is commonly described as Indo-Saracens with blends of Hindu, Mughal, Rajput and Gothic style. It is wonderful place for visitors. Next is Hawa Mahal. This is a short picture of Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal, English, the Palace of Wind, the Palace of Breeze, is a palace in Jaipur, India, approximately 300 kilometers from the capital city of Delhi. Built from red and pink sandstone, the palace sits on the edge of the city palace, Jaipur, and extends to the zenana of Women's Chamber. Hawa Mahal, the structure was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, the grandson of Maharaja Savai Raj Jai Singh, who was the founder of Jaipur. He was inspired by the unique structure of Khetri Mahal that he built his grandson and historical palace. It was designed by Lal Chand Utsat. Lotus Temple. This is a short picture of Lotus Temple. How wonderful it is. The Lotus Temple, located in Delhi, India, is a Baha'i house of worship that was dedicated in December 1996. Notable for its flower-like shape, it has become a prominent attraction in the city. Like all houses of worship, the Lotus Temple is open to all regardless of religion or any other qualification. According to Shoghi Effendi, Baha'i Temple is a silent teacher of the Baha'i faith. The building is composed of 27 freestanding marble-clad petals arranged in clusters of 3 to form 9 sides, with 9 doors opening into a central hall with a height of slightly over 34 meters and a capacity of 2,500 people. Monuments other than this. First is Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Red Fort and India Gate. These are also the monuments during the medieval period, but we didn't cover in this video. I would like to try in the next video. So now we will revise it. What we learned about Lotus Temple, Charminar, Hawa Mahal and Mysore Palace. Thank you and meet you soon guys.